Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is the second part of the Photoshop tutorial explaining the Lasso tool. In the previous part, we studied some properties of the Lasso tools. Today we're going to dig deeper into further details of these tools. So let's get started. I hope everyone watching this video has watched the part 1 of the Lasso tool where I have discussed certain properties of these tools. If you haven't, I will be putting a link to that video in the description below. Once you've selected the magnetic lasso tool, you will find yourself with 4 options up here. The first option is known as the feather. This basically says as to how much your edges will be blurred after your selection. Let me demonstrate this right now. I will simply go and make a selection quickly. And move it on different layer. As you can see, the selection is quite sharp. What you can do with the feather option is, let me just go back. Suppose I increase the feather to 20 and make the same sort of selection. You see the edges are slightly blurred and softer. This is the effect you can create by increasing or decreasing the feather option. The width option basically tells you the size of the edge detection area. To see this more clearly, I'm going to change the cursor, and now when I increase or decrease it, you can see the size in the middle keeps changing. By adjusting the contrast option, you can determine how much contrast needs to be between the object to be selected and its background. The frequency option will determine the distance between the anchor points along the edge of your selection. Adding anchor points to your selection. While you make a selection, anchor points are added automatically. If you want to place a specific anchor point, simply click on that particular point and you'll add an anchor point there. In order to remove an anchor point, simply go ahead and press backspace and you'll remove an anchor point like so. Switching between lasso tools. For this demonstration, I'm going to be selecting the magnetic lasso tool, and I will switch to the plain lasso tool as well as the polygonal lasso tool while making the same selection. In order to do this, simply start your selection. And now, if you want to switch to the lasso tool, then just press Alt and hold down your mouse key and start making your selection. You see, we've switched to the lasso tool. Now, if you want to switch to your polygonal lasso tool, keep holding your Alt key and release your mouse key. You see, you switched to your polygonal lasso tool. In order to switch back to the magnetic lasso tool, simply release your Alt key while holding your mouse key down, like so. And you will switch back to the magnetic lasso tool. Remember, while switching between lasso tools, you need to hold your Alt key down. Adding and subtracting areas of your selection. Simply make a selection, and if you want to subtract an area from the selection, hold the Alt key and make a small selection. You will automatically subtract that small portion from your selection. You will know that you are in the subtracting mode once you see the minus sign appearing next to the cursor. In order to add a selection, simply go up to your toolbar and select the Add Selection option. Come here and make a selection. And see, we've added something to the existing selection.
Hope you guys learned something from this video. Do hit that like button to show your support. Hit the subscribe button for further videos. Until next time, take care.